Hey guys, Andrew here for Nextrift, and it's been a rough few weeks because of the MCO, but we're back in the office now to bring you even more videos. Anyway, today we have the Honor MagicBook, which is Honor's very first laptop for the Malaysian market. That being said, do note that this is not the latest iteration of the MagicBook, rather this is actually one generation behind. That being said, it still offers very good value for money, so we're going to take a quick look at this laptop right now. Since value for money is the MagicBook's best selling point, let's talk about that first. For our market, it retails at only 2,299 ringgit, and for that kind of money, you're getting 512GB of SSD storage and 8GB of RAM. Without a doubt, these are very generous capacities. At this price point, most laptops only have half the RAM and SSD capacity of the MagicBook, so that really does tell you the sheer value for money this laptop offers. Besides that, the MagicBook also comes with an AMD Ryzen 5 3500U processor. While it is not quite as popular as Intel's offerings, you will get reasonably powerful performance out of this chip. Under the hood of the MagicBook is a Radeon Vega 8 GPU. It's an integrated solution, so don't expect it to be particularly powerful. But it should be able to provide high enough frame rates in less demanding games like Diablo 3 or Dota 2. For an integrated solution, the Vega 8 does bring rather impressive performance. And then there's the MagicBook 14-inch 1080p IPS display. Like most IPS panels, it can get reasonably bright, it has vibrant colors, but the viewing angles are not quite as wide as expected. When you look at this display at an angle, it does dim quite noticeably, but if you're looking at it head-on, it is no problem at all. Productivity laptops need to have a good set of keyboard and trackpad, and in the case of the MagicBook, it's reasonably good. I say that because the keyboard has very little key travel, so it does feel rather shallow when you type on it. Personally, however, I don't quite mind the short key travel because the keys have rather good tactile feedback and it does provide a pillowy typing experience, so it will be comfortable in long typing sessions. But if you're not a fan of keyboards with short key travel, you will not be a fan of this keyboard. As for the trackpad, it's mostly decent. It can track my fingers rather accurately, the gestures work just as expected, and it also has a smooth surface, so using it for long sessions won't be quite as tiresome. For 2,299 ringgit, the Honor MagicBook is a very good buy, especially if you want the 512GB SSD. It does have some shortcomings in certain areas, but at this price point, you're getting an excellent laptop for the money. The Honor MagicBook is now available for purchase in Malaysia, although it is sold out in many outlets. So if you're looking for this laptop, you do need to look around a little bit more. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here at Nextrift.